Dear students, today I am going to solve some maths from the chapter mensuration for your upcoming Maths Olympiad. So today's first problem is, if the area of the rectangle is 16 meter square, then which of the following may not be the possible dimensions for a rectangle? The options are length is equals to 8 meter, breadth is equals to 2 meter, length is equals to 16 meter, breadth is equals to 1 meter, length is equals to 32 meter, breadth is equals to 1 by 2 meter, and option D, length is equals to 8.5 meter and breadth is equals to 2 meter. So here students, we have to check that which of the following may not be the possible dimension for rectangle. So here we know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So 8 into 2 in 16, 16 into 1 is also 16, and 32 into half is also 16. So these three are possible, but option D is 8.5 into 2. So 8.5 into 2 is 17. So it is not possible. So so D is the correct option. Next, find the area of the given figure. So let me draw the figure. So this one is 2 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, it is also 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, it is 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this figure. Now here, if we join this, we can find one rectangle. So the area of this rectangle is, so here you can see that length is 6 and breadth is 3. So 6 into 3, that means 18 centimeter square. It is the area of this rectangle. Here if we draw, so here we can also find another rectangle. The length is 3 and breadth is 2. So it is 3 into 2, so that means 6 centimeter square. And here it's a square. It's a square of side 1 centimeter. So it is 1 into 1, that means 1. So the total area is 18 plus 6 plus 1. So that means 25 centimeter square. And the options are option A is 25.5 centimeter square. Option B is 23.5 centimeter square. Option C 25 centimeter square, and option D 24 centimeter square. So option C is the correct answer. I hope all of you understood. Next problem. A rectangular sheet measures 43.15 meter by 30.72 meter. Which of the following is the best estimate for its perimeter? The options are 146 meter, 148 meter, 172 meter, and option D is none of these. So a rectangular sheet measure 43.15 meter by 30.72 meter. Which of the following is the best estimate for its perimeter? So we know the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length plus breadth is the formula to find perimeter of a rectangle. So here 2 into length is 43.15 and breadth is 30.72. Now calculate it. It will be 73.87. Now if we multiply it by 2, it will be 147.74. .74 is the perimeter of this rectangular sheet. But here we have to find the estimate value. So it is nearest to 148. 147.74 is nearest to 148. So we have to take option B because we have to find the estimate value, and 147.74 is nearest to 148 meter. So I hope all of you understood. Next, problem is a square and a rectangle have equal areas if each side of the square is 18 centimeter and the width of the rectangle is 12 centimeter, then find perimeter of the rectangle. The options are 48 centimeter, 56 centimeter, 92 centimeter and 78 centimeter. A square and a rectangle have equal areas, and if each side of the square is 18 centimeter and the width of the rectangle is 12 centimeter, then find the perimeter of the rectangle. So here at first we have to find the area of the square, because side of the square is given. So area of the square is equals to 18 into 18, because side into side is the formula to finding the area of the square. So 18 into 18, so calculate it. So it is 324 centimeter square is the area of the square. So it is the also area of a rectangle. So therefore area of the rectangle is equals to 324 centimeter square, because in the question it is given that the area of square and rectangle are equal. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So here length into breadth is 324 and width of the rectangle is 12 centimeter given. That means breadth is given. So L into 12 is equals to 324. So this implies L is equals to 324 by 12. Now calculate it. So L is equals to 27. So length is 27 and breadth is 12. Now we can easily find the perimeter of the rectangle. So therefore perimeter of the rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 39, so that means 78 centimeter. So option D is correct answer. 78 centimeter, option D is correct answer. Next, next problem is a thin wire a thin wire 48 centimeter long is bent to form a rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle is 1/3 its length. what is the area of the rectangle? The options are 118 centimeter square, 102 centimeter square, 98 centimeter square, and D is 108 centimeter square. The problem is a thin wire 48 centimeter long is bent to form a rectangle. So that means 48 is the perimeter of the rectangle, and it is given that breadth of the rectangle is 1/3 of its length. So let length be x centimeter. So therefore breadth will be x by 3 centimeter, because breadth of the rectangle is 1/3 its length. Now 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length plus breadth means perimeter is equals to, so perimeter is given, it is 48. So calculate it. So it will be 3x plus x, and here if we transfer 2 to the right hand side, it will be 24. So now 4x is equals to 24 into 3, that is 72. So x is equals to 72 by 4. So x is equals to 18. So here students, the value of x is 18. So that means length is 18. So length will be 18 and breadth will be 18 by 3, that is 6. So therefore length is equals to 18 centimeter and breadth is equals to 18 by 3, that means 6 centimeter. So therefore area is equals to length into breadth. So 108 centimeter square. So area is 108 centimeter square. So here option D is 108 centimeter square. I hope all of you understood. Next problem. Next problem is the length of the given rectangular field is decreased by 7 meter. Find its new width if its area remains unchanged. The diagram is it's a rectangle and breadth is 42 meter and length is 56 meter, and the options are 48 meter, 42 meter, 64 meter and 34 meter. So here the problem is the length of the given rectangular field is decreased by 7 meter. So the length of the rectangular field is 56. So if it decreased by 7, then it will be 49. Find its new width. So at first we have to find the area. So area is equals to 56 into 42 meter square, and new length is 56 minus 7, so that means 49 meter, and let new breadth be x meter. So therefore new area 49 into x, because length into breadth, but the area will be same, so that's why we can write 56 into 42, the old area. So x is equals to 56 into 42 by 49. Now divide 42 and 49 by 7, and again 56 and 7 by 7. So x is equals to 48 meter. So new width of the rectangle is 48 meter. So option A is the correct answer. So I hope all of you understood, students. So you must practice at your home such kind of maths for your upcoming maths Olympiad. Thank you, students.